Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are good and taking care of your health. So students, do you remember in your subject English Grammar, we had started with our chapter number 11, Adjectives, in our part 1. I hope you all have understood the meaning of adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are something that tell us more about nouns, right? So let us do our further exercise. Take out your textbooks. So I hope you have completed exercise A. In exercise A, you had to do 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 as your homework, right? See, adjectives tell us something more about nouns. They describe something about nouns, right? And what are nouns? Name of any person, place, animal or thing. See, now what is exercise B? Put a noun after each of these adjectives. Put a noun. See, these are adjectives. Cute, innocent, tidy, all these are adjectives. What you have to do? You have to put a suitable noun. It is not compulsory that what answer I write here, that only you have to write in your textbook. Anything which you feel that it is correct, you can write. I will give you some examples. First, a cute dash. You can write anything like a cute baby, right? A cute baby. Second, a neat. Now think of a suitable noun. What is neat? Handwriting is neat. I tell you that children write neat handwriting. So you can write anything, okay? This is just to give you idea. ING, handwriting. An innocent dash. Innocent boy. That boy was innocent, right? So that innocent boy or an innocent child, anything you can write. A good dash. A good girl or a boy. See, you can add any suitable noun, okay? A tidy dash. Tidy means neat and clean. Is your room tidy? Yes. Room is a place, you can write a tidy room. An old dash. An old woman. Easy. Then you have a brave dash. Soldiers are brave. A brave soldier. Right? Like this, you will add suitable nouns. I have told you the answers of first 7. Now from 8 to 12, you can try by yourself. A broken dash, a broken pencil, anything. A sunny day, a large. Think and write anything you feel which is correct. An interesting story, a blue umbrella, okay. These were the examples or hints given to you. So 8 to 12 you will fill by yourself. Now exercise C. Put suitable adjectives that go with nouns. हमने exercise B में क्या किया? Suitable nouns add किए. And what we will do in exercise C? We will add suitable adjectives. Okay. Dash boy. Now you have to describe boy. Dash boy, smart boy, right? Then dash elephant, huge elephant, right? Nothing is wrong in this. Just it should be correct adjective. Dash girl, intelligent girl, right? Just make sure that the spellings which you write are correct, okay? Dash dog, loyal dog, faithful dog, anything you can write. Adjectives tell us about nouns. So, nouns are given and we have to describe them. Dash grandfather, grandfather, old grandfather. Okay, like this you will think and fill the blanks. Dash weather, pleasant weather. Okay, the weather was pleasant, like this we say, no? So like this you will keep on adding suitable adjectives. Dash book, a good book or nice book. Dash sun, dash classroom, dash cloud, like dark cloud. Dash teacher, a polite teacher or kind teacher, anything. Dash pen, a black pen. Okay, like this you will add suitable adjectives. And the last exercise of our day is exercise D. Underline the adjectives and circle the nouns. Wherever you see adjectives, you have to underline, and wherever you see nouns, you have to circle. I hope you have understood the difference between adjectives and nouns. Nouns are name, place, animal, thing, naming words, and adjectives tell us something, describe us something about nouns. I want 2 apples. First we will find out noun. Apple is a thing, so you will circle, and हमको apple के बारे में क्या बोला है? That 2 apple. So you will underline 2. Okay. The child is happy. Now which is the noun in this sentence? Child, because child is a person. So you will circle the noun and you will have to underline the adjectives. What is our adjective? Child is happy. So you will underline happy. The giraffe is a tall animal. Now which is animal? Giraffe. So giraffe is a noun. You will circle. And tall. Giraffe को कैसे describe किया है? Tall. So tall will be our adjective. The cake is delicious. Now first find out the noun. Cake. And cake is a thing, right? Cake को कैसे describe किया है? Delicious, yummy. Okay. So like this you have to find out the adjectives and nouns. The deer is a timid animal. Now deer is the name of the animal. So it is a noun. And how it is described? Timid. So timid will be our adjective. Okay. So I told you the answers of 5. Now remaining 6 to 10. I know you can do easily. Now you have understood, right? So this will be your homework. Okay children? So complete these exercises and we'll discuss in the live class. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.